All right, everybody, welcome back. Orange Track Outlaws, and it is race night. We got another pretty good group, I think, of 36 cars. We're going to check these out. We're going to stick them in the randomizer, throw them on the track, race them against each other. Let's see what's fast and what's not, and then we'll throw them up against the best and see what happens. Let's take a look at the cars. First one here, we got the old Black Widow. It's pretty cool. Got the Gazella GT, Nova Wagon, McLaren Senna, Zamac. That's pretty fancy. And Impala. Oh, that's a pretty cool Judge there. Pontiac GTO. Got a Viper. Christmas looking Viper. That thing's sweet. El Camino. That was always in fast. We got an 84 Corvette. Purple. Sparkly too. That's a nice paint job. We got a Porsche 930. What we got here? We got a Batmobile. And it is faster than ever. Look out. FTE sighting, guys. Here we go. We got the custom Chevy Love. Got the BMW M3. That's a pretty cool car. We got the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder van. Here we go. We got a Datsun 510. Momo Edition. We got a race truck here. I think it's pretty cool. Got some Goodyears on it. Nice sentimental base. Plastic base. Still is cool though. Race truck. What else we got here? We got the Jeep Wrangler. Pretty cool paint job on that guy. See how fast he is in a minute. Got the 68 Dodge Dart. Pretty cool flame job on it. Looks sweet. Got the 57 T-Bird. Pretty cool paint job there. Here we go. We got a John Deere NASCAR edition. This one here says it rolls fast on the Hot Wheels tracks too. Got the whole series of these from 2000. Supposed to be fast. So this one's going to be our first one. Let's check it out. What's next here? Got the Indy 500 Oval in pink. We got a Matchbox getting in the mix here. The 68 Ford Mustang even. Got the off-road look to it. Here's an oldie but goodie. We got the old gold Hotbird. This one does have a metal base. This one might be pretty quick. This one you know is going to be quick. We got the old funny car here. Heavy car. Usually goes fast. We'll see. We got the Hot Wheels Racing Edition Drifta. We got the 69 Charger. Cool looking car. Oh, we got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Pretty sweet. We got a Halloween edition of the Diesel Boy. These have been known to be kind of fast. That should be a good one. We got the Camo edition, Nissan Skyline. Yeah, that's a cool looking car. Oh, we got the Zamac edition of the Ford F-150. Hot Wheels Racing. This one is, oh, it's got some fancy, the gold, I don't know what those wheels, gold bling wheels. That, been a fast casting. I know there's some other paint jobs of this car here, and they are very fast, so that should be a good one. Can't wait to see that. Here we go. Continue. We got the dual fueler. So, this one is also faster than ever. Look at those gold wheels. That should be a good race. Couple FTEs in this one. We got another Zamac here, 70 Monte Carlo. That's a cool looking car. It's got the skinny wheelbase though. We'll see if it's fast. Got the Tokyo 2020 Toyota 2000 GT. That's a pretty cool looking car. Check it out. What's next here? We got a 71 Dodge Charger Flame Edition. That's a cool car. all plastic. That's okay there. We'll run it. Here we go. We got the 2012 Ford Fiesta Hot Wheels race team. Some of these cars, being that small, they do go quick. We'll be finding out shortly. Last but not least, we get the Ion Motors Thresher. This is a really cool looking car. I think I'm going to customize one of these guys here coming up. But plastic base with the chrome paint, purple body, really cool looking car. Been wanting to know how fast these are. We're going to find out here. But here we go, guys. We're going to open all these up and we're going to get them ready to race. So I'll see you in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, guys. Race 1 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the 69 Charger. Lane 2, we got the Hot Wheels dual fueler with the FTE wheels. Lane 3, we got the 64 Nova Gasser. Lane 4, we got the Hot Wheels Diesel Boy. Lane 5, we got the Dodge Viper. In lane 6, we got the Ion Motors Thresher. Who are we taking here, guys? Race 1, who do you like? Charger? I don't know. I think I'm going to go lane 3 with that Nova Gasser. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that FTE out big. Woo. Oh, that FTE out big. Woo. Okay, race 2 is up and ready. Lane 1, Nissan Skyline in the camo. Lane 2, we got the McLaren Senna Zamac. Lane 3, we got the Toyota 2000 GT. Lane 4, we got the Black Widow. Lane 5, we got the El Camino. Lane 6, we got the Ford F-150 2009. Who we like here? Who's taking that McLaren? That's a sweet looking car. I think I'm going to go lane 6 with that F-150. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, look at that. Truck's out. Oh, not by much.
Winner, lane 6.
Oh yeah, look at that. Truck's out. Oh, not by much.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, race 3 up and ready. Lane 1, we got the John Deere NASCAR. Lane 2, got the Hot Wheels Gazella GT. Lane 3, we got the 1970 Monte Carlo in the Zamac. Lane 4, we got the Hot Bird in gold. Lane 5, we got the Batmobile with the FTE wheels. In lane 6, this was supposed to be a 68 Mustang off-road edition from Matchbox. However, it didn't fit on the track, so we had to swap it out with this 65 Mustang from Hot Wheels, the Golf version. So here we go, guys. Who do you think here? I think it's going to be, I don't know. I really want to go with that lane 1, the NASCAR, with the Batmobile with the FTE wheels. I don't know. I think I'm going to go Batmobile. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that move. Oh, John Deere might have it. Oh, look at that. He come back.
Lane 1.
Oh yeah, that move. Oh, John Deere might have it. Oh, look at that. He come back.
Lane
1. Okay, race 4 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the 71 Charger. Lane 2, we got the race truck. Lane 3, we got the 1980 Corvette. Lane 4, we got the Corvette Grand Sport. Lane 5, we got the Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. In lane 6, we got the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Who do we like here? Who do we like? Race truck, Grand Sport, Charger maybe. I think I'm gonna go lane 5 with the Rapid Responder. Let's race. Okay, race 4. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Charger! Wow.
Winner, lane 1.
Oh, look at that Charger!
Winner, lane 1.
Okay, race 5 is up and ready. Lane 1, got the 69 GTO Judge. Lane 2, 72 Chevy Love. Lane 3, the Porsche 930. Lane 4, 68 Dodge Dart. Lane 5, the IndyCar. Lane 6, 64 Impala. What do we like here? The Dodge Dart's pretty cool. Some cool cars here. I'm gonna go lane 1 just because that GTO Judge is badass. So let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Horse is out. Oh, look at that Dart. Look at that Dart. The GTO Judge.
Lane 1.
Nice. Horse is out. Oh, look at that Dart. Look at that Dart. The GTO Judge.
Lane 1.
Nice. Okay, race 6, up and ready. Lane 1, BMW M3 GT2. Lane 2, 2012 Ford Fiesta. Lane 3, the Hot Wheels Drifsta. Lane 4, got the T-Bird. Lane 5, we got the Datsun 510. And lane 6, we got the funny car. What do you guys think? Who's going to take this one? Pretty hard to go against lane 6 there in that big old funny car. That's my pick. Lane 6. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Drift is out. Oh, funny car. Welcome.
Winner, lane 6.
Drift is out. Oh, funny car. Welcome.
Winner, lane 6.
Okay, guys, finals race. I think this is going to be a great race. There's some good cars here, some fast ones. Lane 1, we got the funny car. Lane 2, got the Hot Wheels dual fueler with the FTE wheels. That's fast. Lane 3, got the 69 GTO Judge. That was fast. Lane 4, got the 71 Charger. That was fast. Lane 5, we got the Ford F-150 2009. In lane 6, we got the John Deere NASCAR. These were all fast cars. I don't know who to pick. This is going to be a good race. We got an FTE in here. We got the F-150. Those are usually fast. We got the NASCAR. It's heavy and fast. Funny car, heavy and fast. I don't know who to pick. I don't know. But, got to pick one. Let's pick... I don't even know what to pick. I think I'm going to go with lane 2 with the FTE wheels. Hard to bet against those. Let's go. Let's race. Okay, finals race. Let's see who's going to get it. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's a tight race. Wow.
Winner, lane 6.
Lane 6, the John Deere NASCAR. What a good race.
Wow, it's a tight race. Winner, lane 6.
Lane 6, the John Deere NASCAR. What a good race. Okay, here's tonight's champ, the John Deere NASCAR. We're going to put him up against our current number 1, the Ferrari F40 Black, and see what this NASCAR's got. Let's see if he can come close. see if he can win. I don't know what's going to happen here. I think that F40 though is fast, so it's hard to beat. It's #1 for a reason. Let's find out though. Let's race. Okay, tonight's champ, John Deere NASCAR versus our current #1, the Ferrari F40. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a tight race. Wow.
Winner.
Look at this.
Lane 1.
New #1, guys. Wow. That car's fast as shit. Oh, it's a tight race. Wow.
Winner.
Look at this.
Lane 1.
New #1, guys. Okay guys, here is tonight's winner, the John Deere NASCAR, and our new #1 champ. It has raced it a couple more times against the F40, and it won 2 out of, well, I raced it twice and it won both times. That's crazy. I didn't think it was going to have enough for that car. That F40 is super fast, and this car is super fast. Second time I raced it, beat it by a car length. So new #1 here, guys. I'm shocked. It was a good race. Even all the rest of the finalists I'm sure they're going to have spots in our best of the best. That's for sure. That was a great close race. Some good cars there. Thank you guys for watching another race of mine. It was a fun night. I've got another one coming up here pretty soon. I've got more cars in this NASCAR series here. They had I don't know, it was about a dozen of them in a whole series. I have them all, and I'll be racing them all. Really looking forward to that. I think there's gonna be some real fast ones. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Check out my other videos. I got some cool restorations, got some cool customs going on. If you're into that thing, check it out. If you like these races, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you on next race night. See ya.